Can you remember who this is? Can you remember what happened to her? This is Susie. Susie loves skiing, but she's not very good at it. Although she's not very good at it, she likes to go fast. One day, as usual, Susie was skiing fast when suddenly she fell. What happened to Susie? While she was skiing, she passed the tree and she fell. You can see there are two actions which happened in the past. But which action happened first? To make it obvious which action happened first, we use the past perfect. She had passed the tree when she fell. When we are talking about two things which happened in the past perfect describes the first action, the action before the main action. And the past simple describes the second action or the main action. It's okay to reverse the order in the sentence. So, for example, we can put the second action first in the sentence and the first action second in the sentence. When she fell, she had passed the tree. A quick reminder of the past simple. Remember, there are two kinds of verbs, regular and irregular. To form the past simple of regular verbs, we usually add ed. But remember, there are some exceptions. For irregular verbs, our only option is to learn them. The good news is that we form the negative of regular and irregular verbs exactly the same. Didn't plus the infinitive. We form the past perfect with the subject plus had or hadn't and the past participle. To make the question form of the past perfect, we invert the subject and had. Had she passed the tree?